Welcome to the MasterClear salt system. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to install and start up the MasterClear salt system conversion kit. If your spa didn't come salt ready from the factory, this kit allows you to convert it easily. Once it's set up, you'll enjoy cleaner water with less hands-on maintenance. Before getting started, the most important step is safety. Make sure all power to the spa is turned off at the GFCI breaker. Never work on a powered spa. For best results, we recommend starting with fresh water, especially if it's been a little while since your last water change. Drain and clean your spa thoroughly, then remove any mineral cartridges or mineral filters and replace them with standard filters. Mineral systems are not recommended with salt systems. Next, install the controller. Choose a location on the outside of the skirting cabinet where it won't be exposed to long periods of direct sunlight. Or, if you want to keep the outside of your spa looking less cluttered, you can also put the controller inside the equipment area using the mounting brackets supplied in the kit. Secure the controller in place using screws provided. Take the Smart Cell cords labeled B, line up the pins, push them together firmly, and tighten the collar to lock the connection. Now connect power. On one end, plug the GFCI power cord into the controller by fastening the cords labeled A. On the other end, insert the wall plug into a properly grounded GFCI outlet. The system will power on, but it won't begin generating chlorine until setup is completed in the app. If you don't want to have a power cord running across your deck or patio, you can also connect power using the Spa Pack power cord supplied with your kit. Please refer to your spa owner manual to ensure that you connect the cord to an appropriate port on your Spa Pack. Fill the spa with fresh water using the 1 micron filter in your MasterClear startup kit. You can also check out the MasterClear video called How to Set Up Your Saltwater Spa for more details on best startup practices. Next, position the Smart Cell. Drape it over the side of the spa so it sits just above the floor and keep it away from any metal fittings. Once your spa water has reached temperature, turn on all the pumps and slowly add half of the recommended amount of MasterClear Salt Plus for your spa size. The correct amount is listed on the side of the Salt Plus container. Allow the salt to dissolve for about 15 minutes. While the salt is dissolving, let's set up the MasterClear Salt System app. You can download the app from the App Store or Google Play. Stand within 5 feet of the spa and connect using Bluetooth. Follow the prompts to select your spa model or enter the water volume. This step is required. The system won't operate until setup is complete in the app. Once connected, the system will begin its first sanitizing cycle. You'll see fizzy bubbles coming from the Smart Cell, which means chlorine is being generated. The main screen of the app has a salt level indicator that you can use to dial in your salt level. It will likely show low since you only added half the recommended amount of salt. Add more salt, 1 cup at a time, with all pumps running, waiting at least 15 minutes between additions, and checking the level in the app. Remember that it's always easier to add salt later than it is to remove it, so add it sparingly. But once the slider's in the middle, you're good to go. Over the next 24 to 48 hours, monitor your water as the system stabilizes. Make small adjustments as needed, always 1 step at a time. And remember to remove the Smart Cell from the spa anytime someone is using it. And that's it. You're now ready to enjoy the benefits of the MasterClear salt system. Fresher water, easier care, and way more time enjoying your spa. Relax. It's Master Spas.